Before we start coding, you need to install the Claude CLI. Open your terminal and run the npm install command shown here. This installs Claude globally on your system. If you have a Claude Pro or Max subscription, you can use the CLI without needing separate API credits. Here we create a simple Python function that calls Claude using subprocess. The -p flag sends our prompt directly, and output format JSON gives us structured output. The capture output parameter lets us grab Claude's response as a string. Now let's use our function to ask Claude a question. We pass in our prompt as a string, and Claude returns the answer. We can parse the JSON response to extract just the result text. This is much simpler than setting up API authentication. For longer responses, streaming is better. This version uses Popen instead of run, which lets us read Claude's output line by line as it generates. The flush equals true ensures each chunk appears immediately, giving you that nice typing effect. Here's a complete chat application. It creates a simple loop where you type messages and Claude responds. Type quit to exit. This uses your Claude subscription directly through the CLI, so there's no need to manage API keys or worry about token costs. Just run this script and start chatting.